Hey guys, welcome back to Codebox. Let's start the video. So in previous video we have seen all types of joins. Now we are going to see subqueries in SQL. So there are three types of subqueries. First one is single row subquery. Second one is multi-row subquery, and third one is correlated subquery. So one by one, we are going to see every subquery with an example. So we have created two tables. So we have created two tables. One is employee and another one is department. So one by one, we are going to see how to write a subquery. So in single subquery, single row. So single row subquery. So in single row subquery, we use operators like equals to or greater than or less than, equals to, less than, greater than, then equals to, less than, or equals to, greater than, or not equals to. So these are the types of operator we use in single subquery, single row subquery. And in single row subquery, the output of the subquery will be only one value. There are no multiple values in single row subquery. So let's see one example for single row subquery. Select name, comma, salary from employee where salary is greater than, select AVG, AVG, average salary from employee table. So now let's see the output. So this is a subquery, a single row subquery. So you can see the name. First of all, we will see what's the name of the employee stored as. Then we can see what is the salary and how much we are getting the output. Select all from employees. Hmm. So as you can see, the name is ABCD, and we want average salary is greater than average salary. So average salary will be calculated by the subquery which we have written here. Then after that, the average salary is calculated. The the salaries which are greater than average salary will be printed by the query which we have executed. So this is how the single row subquery is executed. Now we will see multi-row subquery. So the second type of subqueries is multi-row subquery. So in multi-row subqueries, we can use operators like all, in all, exist, and any. So I am going to show you one of the operators, that is in. how to use in operator in multi row subquery, but all the all the subqueries work same only. So I want you all to see how the operators work by yourself. So I'm going to show you one. Select name, comma, salary from employee, where let's see what department name. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Where department ID in select select department ID from employee, where salary is greater than 60,000. So why we have kept it 60,000 as the highest salary in our table is 80,000. So we have kept it 60,000. So now let's see what's the output. So as you can see, the employee A, C and D are having salary greater than, just a second. So it is not like it will give single output. So only it is called as multi-row subquery. So now I am going to show you correlated subquery. Select. So what does correlated subquery do? The outer query is related to inner query. It's like that. Even dot even dot even dot name, comma, even dot salary from employee, even, where salary is greater than, select E2 dot select select average E2 dot salary from employee, where E dot E1 dot department ID is equals to E2, sorry, E2 dot department ID is equals to E1 dot department ID. So you can see here E1 department ID is dependent on E2. So E1, let me explain it once again. So you can see in inner subquery there is E1 department ID used. So it is related to outer subquery. So this is called as correlated subquery. So how you will know that it is a correlated subquery? So any element of outer query is used inside an inner query, then it is a correlated subquery. So let's try to execute it. We have not given a name. So E2. Yes, now it will execute. Yes, you can see the output. So thank you guys and subscribe for more.